Could someone please turn on the lights? Thank you. Jeez, I'm actually paying my money at this hotel. What is wrong with these people? Anyways, hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it. It's free. This is Katie from the One Big Irie family. Thank you very much for your support so far. And yes, I am just also bougie. I'm in a hotel right now, and all the haters will say it's not true, but I'm in a hotel, okay? And I'm just going to tell you a little bit about my electronic toothbrush that I was supposed to get, like, yeah, I got it within a month. So it was a part of the Aliexpress haul, but I was so excited to share the other stuff with you guys. I couldn't wait for this, so I just got this, and of course we're gonna open it together. So it's my electronic toothbrush, and of course it's my first time buying this on Aliexpress, and it comes with 4 extra brushes. I paid approximately $15 for it. So comes with 4 extra brushes. I can finally brush my teeth. I have been waiting for this because I didn't want to use any more cheap toothbrush to brush my teeth. And this is the package for the brush itself. This is how it comes. Okay, it's a Oral-B Brawn. Okay, 1 battery powered toothbrush, 1 replacement brush head, 2 batteries. I'm not seeing any batteries. Is that what's supposed to be in there? So oh, maybe the battery is already in. Tell us I'm new to this. Okay, let's see. Let's press. It's not starting. How do I open this? I don't know about this one. I don't want to distract. Oh, no battery. So how am I going to brush my teeth? These people are easy. Let's see the battery in this. Maybe we'll check back the package. Let's see if we see the batteries. Only percent toothbrush without batteries. How people supposed to brush them teeth? So it's a case. So this is a case. This is a case. I guess it's for to pull it apart, I guess. I'll try to figure this out, but hold on, let me check for the batteries. How am I gonna brush my teeth? I haven't brushed my teeth in a month waiting for this foolishness. Right, so no batteries. I'm gonna ask for a refund. I had to get my own batteries. Not going to put it in my mouth because I need to wash it off first with some hot water, but basically this is it. You can detach there, here. The other one that I have actually has 2 buttons, one for on and off. This is just big and blah. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Boom bang, I'm out.